Hi, Tom Blodgett here from Jende Industries, and today I'm going to do a little tip repair on a little paring knife that I've got. Somebody dropped it and it bent the tip, and we are going to fix it. And you see the tip is a little bit bent. So what we could try to do on this particular tip is take a pair of pliers and just sort of work it back. Because this is such a small bend, it might be better just to grind it down. So first I'm going to try with the pliers and see if I can't bend it out. Yeah, this is a 50-50 on my book. I'm more inclined to just grind it off, but I'll try flattening it. So I've got a pair of pliers here, and just so I don't mark up the knife or anything, I'm just going to wrap this around with some paper towel. Basically, I'm just going to try to grab that and kind of bend it. Now, these knives have some spring to it, and if you can't see what I'm doing, I'm actually kind of just kind of bending a little bit. If you over torque it, it's definitely going to break. So let's see if we brought it back at all. Yeah, it's still kind of going up here. It's got a little bit of a lip there at the very tip, but it's definitely flatter than it was. Try it again. I'll do it without so you can see what I'm doing here. I'm grabbing it past that point, not just the edge itself, and just giving a little bit of torque. A little bit. Little bit. As you see, I'm bending it. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm actually bending it past the point so that it can straighten out. If I just bend the very tip, it's definitely going to break. So just kind of lean on it, and it's not really wanting to go. So if I do press any harder, it's definitely going to break. So plan B. Plan B is to just grind off the very tip and the bent portion, because that bent portion, once it's bent, if you bend it back, it is still stressed metal, so it's likely to bend again. So you actually have to go past the bend just a little bit to get the fresh steel that's still, the integrity is still intact. So, you know, once this kind of thing on a very tip like that, not a big deal, but it would eventually break off anyway. So we'll just grind that down. I'll show you that next. All right, so we're just going to grind down to the red line. Okay, so as you saw, I took some of this back here down to make it match. So when we take that out, otherwise you get this sort of straight hook. So we have to take some of that backing down and just kind of blend it back in together. So I'll come now and just sharpen the rest of the blade here. We are straight again. Rest is just sharpening. So very simple tip repair. In this case, we couldn't bend it back. I've had them where they were bent further down and you could bend it back. It wasn't worth taking it all down because it was large enough where you could put it back. Yeah, the integrity is not 100%, but the best thing is to grind it down. But just a little tip like that, it's a quick job. Again, thank you for watching. That was a quick video there, and an easy repair generally. So if you like that, you want to see more, please like and subscribe here. And we'll put some other videos up here for you. And yeah, please come back and watch again. Thank you. Bye.